To everybody. Today is class about VCU data downloading and analysis. This data downloading is very important in our daily day-to-day life because every day we are dealing with failures and other things. So first of all, we try to download all the schedule local data and all incoming local data. So first slide is this is we dealing with various types of propulsion systems. CDAC is there, MEDA, BTL, and AVB Lero type also there. In fault data, that every data is started with that processor name, which is fault is started. So in that, in CDAC system, the processor name will come, data will come from FLG like that. So this processor dealing with all the local control. In MEDA, this process is called MVCU CC1. BTL, this is called CCO1, and ABV Leroy is called Rayon 1. Like that, all processor cards are there. And then we will see how that is feedback type of issue, how we download the data. Actually, ABV issue data downloading. First, this is connected by local. We have to use LAN cable for the downloading. So first we have to change the IP address of the system. This is IP address. This IP address is to be set in the laptop. Then we open the app, get error log, and in this IP will be shown. This we have to enter, and then we have to press download file. After by pressing, it will open a prompt. Then we have to save its location. We have to enter location and file name. That will automatically save. That board connected and the file transfer complete will come. And after that, in this slide, how we have to open the data. This one tool is there. VCU TCN configuration and also application is there. This is given by CDAC. So in this message data analyst window is there. In that we have to select the file, browse, and we have the previous download file we have to select and press execute. Then like this one window will open, and we have to press that get the latest data and how many faults we want to analyze. Normally 15 faults will open in first window. So we have to get all faults. So we will enter 3000. And like this will be there. And by clicking the fault, we can go to the background data. In the background data, we can see every signal that VCB closed, Pando, like that, every signal we can see. And in this one fault from SR is given. So we go for SR data downloading. This we have to connect to that SR, and here we will go to export runtime data. And one control we have to add, and name we have to give, and then import runtime data. We will that to SR data also. And after downloading, this is the download. After completing downloading, like the window will be like this. And this is one case study. This is 1, 2, 3, 7, 4 ID loco failed on 18/1/26. The fault message was that LC bogie 1 was isolated. Bogie 2 of LC2, LC2 of bogie 2 isolated, and in that we downloaded data and checked it. In that we found that SR2 is SLG2 means SR2. SR2 I said by LC overcurrent. And that VCU background data we checked. In that we found that this is fault occurred during braking. So further we checked that SR data. In that we found that LC, this is line current, is small tick is there. This is the fault time. In that some increase is there. So we further we checked that OIC data. In that a sudden dip is there. Means OIC fluctuated at that time. So the fault was occurred. That's all. That's all.